have for you. Today, I have a wig from divatrust.com. I'll leave all the links down below for this incredible wig, including coupon code. And of course, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Do check that out because I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, and wigs. Also a great way for you to reach out to me and send me your photos of your wigs, your makeup looks, and your amazing fashion. I love to see what you're up to. So today's wig is from ZURY, and ZURY is one of my absolute favorite wig brands as I love crazy colors, fun colors, and unique colors, and ZURY always does it right, or does it the best. I mean, let me know if there's another wig company that you love that does crazy, fun, vibrant, crazy colors. I want to know about it. So this wig is actually in Peony right here. So I decided to do like a brown scheme, even though they have this amazing lavender, which I'm always like, just get the lavender. But I'm like, Carly, you already have so many pastel wigs. Why not live a little and actually get something I wouldn't normally buy? So this is actually the SOM RT Frost. So it's really great as it has all of these, you know, colors in it. So it definitely is like streaked out with colors. This is definitely a blonde, slightly ashy blonde with these golden brown colors. You can see a little bit more inside of the streaking and whatnot. And what I really wanted to get was a super long wig. This is, it doesn't say the actual length on it, but I would gather it's probably 26, 28, maybe 30 inches of a wig. And also, I'm always in love with these gorgeous waves, like very like romantic, fun, soft, Victoria's Secret model waves. So I'm really excited. I thought, you know, go out of the box and actually do something different, but also these kind of highlights, lowlights, etc. It's actually super fun. So go ZURY. So I actually have not even tried on this wig yet. So this is gonna be a first when I put it on. Let's talk a little bit of the construction of the wig. So this has a medium cap, and this wig also comes with pre-cut baby hairs, if you can see that right up here, which is really great because that's ready to go for you. Also, the wig lace is a medium tone right here, and it is about a 3 to 4 inch parting right here. It has 3 total combs as well. So it has 2 combs on the side right here, and then 1 comb in the back with the fasteners. But let me show you a little bit of this wig so you can take a little look at it and all its construction. This is also heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit if you choose to modify the wig with heat. Let's put her on. I have my wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I love it. I put my wigs on front to back. I'm gonna back it up because she is a long one. Okay, so this is a center part. Whoa, whoa. I mean, I'm ready for the runway, right? Oh my gosh. Wow. I love, like, honestly, the blonde is, you know, a real soft, ashier, not a warm blonde, which is what I really like. But it also is kind of mixed with that warmer color brown. So it kind of really gives a pretty natural looking color base tone. And just kind of fun, right? Let me stand up a little bit first so you can see how long she is. So I'm 5'7". Okay, let's see. Okay, so normally 24 inches is at my belly button, and this is just past, so I would gather 26 inches right here. Wow. Oh my gosh, ZURY with these kind of Victoria's Secret curls. I love it. I'm just gonna shift the wig and just see what kind of look it gives by moving it around. Oh, I could get into this. I can get into this as well. Kind of like a heavier front with this. I do like this. Out really nice how deep it is. I do dig that a lot. And of course, these baby hairs that are ready to be placed down however you prefer them to be. I'm gonna actually put it on this side too. Let's just move it over and see if it gives a different look. Because you know, I love to see what different looks a wig can give. Oh, I could showcase the Misfit eyebrow with this one. I really like it. It's funny, like when it actually came, the curls were actually very precise and they almost looked like they were gelled. And it wasn't until I brushed it, of course, gotta brush it, that it actually like came alive to this really soft, and then now a little piecey after that. I really love these color tones, and this wig literally comes in so many amazing colors that I was like, oh, do I get the charcoal? Do I get the lavender? Or do I get this other cool one? But I decided to actually do something a little more normal. Who knew? So, wow, I really like it. Of course, this is from divatrust.com. Do check it out. All the links are down below, including coupon codes. So do get those coupons and save some money and look fabulous. And of course, reach out to me on Instagram. You know I love to hear from you. And let's all continue on this empowering movement. Let's help everyone feel as great as they can be every single day, because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this amazing ZURY wig in any color you want, wear it and love it. And of course, we